Hi everyone, it's Andrea over at Sewspire.com, and I am here with what will be the first of many inspirational vlogs for you. So just in case you didn't hear, the new Sewspire schedule on Tuesdays, we will meet at 2 p.m. Eastern for our weekly sewing tutorial. And then on Fridays at noon Eastern time, I will be here to share some little nugget of inspiration with you. And these inspirational videos will really run the gamut, right? Because inspiration is everywhere. So finally, at last, we have the missing component for Sewspire, and this really is why and how I came up with the name. I wanted to combine the art of sewing with the gift of inspiration. So that's what Friday's all about. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so I know that you would like more content like this. And I want to get started right away. I'm really honored to be able to present Sew Your Bag to you. This company was founded by a longtime Sewspire subscriber and patron. Her first name is Catherine, and she is a bag making rock star. And I am really just so excited to support her new journey and to share her new offering with you all, because I know you love bag making too. And I hope that you are as passionate as I am and Catherine is about supporting women entrepreneurs and women creators and makers. I just think that this is such a wonderful way to do it. So if you are a female maker or entrepreneur in this realm of sewing, I'll put my contact information down in the notes. I would love to collaborate with you for one of these Friday inspirational vlogs. Okay, so I've been waiting what feels like forever to open this box because I wanted to get us through Design a Bag with Andrea so I could launch this new schedule. So Catherine's been waiting very patiently, and I've been waiting very patiently, which I'm not really patient when it comes to goodies. And this has just been sitting there, and I told her, you know, I didn't forget about you. I just really want this to be the first in my Friday inspirational vlogs. So for anybody who's concerned, these are not my good scissors, but I will show you. I love that Catherine put her branding all over the outside of this package. Brilliant, Catherine, really brilliant. Okay, so the box is awesome sauce, and then right inside is a wonderful label here, and it says, "Thank you for your purchase and support of our business." And then it's signed Heart Catherine, and then it says, "Did you love your Sew Your Bag box this month? Sew on social and tag us." And then she's at Sew Your Bag on Facebook and Instagram. And then she says, if you post an unboxing on Instagram or Facebook, tag us at #YourBagBox. Oh, I hope this counts, Catherine, for an unboxing. It's on YouTube, though. You should ask people to do it on YouTube, too. Okay, then another gorgeous sticker that says, "Especially creative for you." So, more goodies. The colors are absolutely fabulous, and she has her little QR code to scan there. And then, wow, Catherine, you just put so much thought into this. It truly does feel like I'm getting a present. Okay, sewing say what? Frequently used acronyms. Oh, this is super handy. And then it has like DST. Does anybody know what that stands for? Double-sided tape. DV or DVT. Decoville Light. I didn't know that Decoville had its own acronym. And then she goes through some of the more common ones too, which the new sewer may or may not know, like WSF, wrong sides facing, WSO, wrong side out. And so that's a nice little keepsake there. And then it looks like there's some other goodies in here. I hope there's a sticker for my chair, Catherine. Okay, let's see. Secure. Cerealbagmakers.com. And then she has a code that you can use to get 5% off your order. That's exciting. And then I'm a Sew Your Bag founding member. Awesome. And I think that might be a sticker. I'm hoping it is. If it is, it will end up on my chair. And this one says measure twice, cut once. And then this one, which I'm almost 1,000% sure is a sticker, says beautiful things come together one stitch at a time. All right, so now Catherine is also making the sticker chair. If anybody wants to contribute to the sticker chair, that's an ongoing installation art project. And I will put my about link down in the notes if you'd like to send me a sticker. I'll be happy to give you a shout out and put your sticker on my chair. Okay, I didn't know for sure which box I was getting, and I'm over the moon with this box because it's her founder's box. And this fabric, when I show it to you, oh, it's so amazing. Okay, so this was the July founder's box, which I'm pretty sure is completely sold out. Like I might have gotten the last one, so thank you, Catherine. And it is the Alcubolin Reversible Tote by Sew Your Bag. Be bold, sew a bag you will love. And then inside she has a table of contents there, the contents of the actual box here. And then she explains what an Cara fabric is. And hopefully I'm not mispronouncing that, but it's African wax and Dutch wax. So it's known for its bold, vibrant, colorful prints. And that really, when I show it to you, that is really what sets Catherine's kits above the rest. Is this fabric is spectacular all by itself. So this particular bag here, you won't probably be able to get your hands on this one, but the benefit of being a part of a subscription box service is Catherine's going to keep curating amazing collections for you. So like this is just the beginning, right? She's only going to get better. So rather than read to you the contents of this awesome box, I just want to show you. So lined wonderfully is the lining, and this looks like a really nice black Kona fabric, which I'm going to open up. Geez, Catherine, you have just put so much love and care into this package. Yep, a really awesome, great quality black Kona. Fabulous. And then we have the foam here, which is so awesome. Let me get inside of there and see what the scoop is here. Oh yeah, this is really nice. This is much better quality foam than what I was working with in last week's tutorial. It kind of feels like it could be the Annie, so I'll have to see if that's true, but excellent quality. And then a really fun pair of scissors here. That's nice. So this is just a fun accessory to have in the sewing room. And then darling, absolutely darling, who doesn't need a little tiny mat? And I am determined to bust through my scraps, which you guys are going to be hearing a lot about soon. So that little mat is going to come in very handy. I can't believe all the stuff in here. Okay, Then we have a product called Sewfuse, which I am not familiar with. So the cool thing about this is you're going to get exposure to the supplies and interfacings and notions that other bag makers use. And wow, this feels really great. This is awesome. It's a fusible and it has such a nice feel to that. I love it. Okay. And then let's see what's inside of this pretty little bag. There, and I haven't even gotten to the best part yet. There's still some amazing goodies inside of here. But I want to get this little guy untied. I'm so impressed, Catherine. I really am. So this is pre-cut, I'm assuming, for the straps. How amazing is that? Pre-cut interfacing for your strap. That makes strap making a piece of cake. And then look at how pretty this is. This is the hardware. This is stunning. It says handcrafted. Absolutely stunning. And a super easy to install there because it's just the brads. Wow. Love that. A box of clips. For real, Catherine. This is as good as Christmas. I don't know why anybody wouldn't treat themselves to this. Okay. Awesome red clips that coordinate with the fabric. Like, that's just too cool. If you're looking for an awesome Instagram photo, this would be your kit. Okay, a full spool of thread, which will be more than enough to sew this project, and then one of those cute little thread clamps. That's a blast. And then there's two more things in here. The fabric. Okay, and if you look on Instagram, follow Catherine's Instagram, you will see samples of this bag made up, and you will definitely be seeing my bag made up in the very near future. So this fabric is, oh my gosh, like, I know the camera isn't even going to do it justice. Think of like an amazing scarf, right? Like a designer scarf. It has the sheen in there and the gold. And you can see with these big, brilliant medallions that you could choose which one to center. And then Catherine's sample has this amazing piece of hardware right at the center of that. There's just so much you can do with this, and it feels incredible. It feels like silk, but it's waxed. So beautiful. I just want to open that up for you so you can really take in. Wow, this is going to be really, really fun to sew. I am super excited, Catherine. Okay, and then this was what was making the package so heavy. It smells amazing. Amazing. And it says, thank you. And it is a bath bomb. And it really, I wish there was smell vision here because it is so yummy. So Catherine's put together an awesome package. And this was her first one. It's undoubtedly only going to get better from here. Check out her website. Follow her on Instagram. And if you would enjoy having your bag accoutrements delivered to your door each month, consider subscribing, and be sure to tell Catherine that you learned about her here at Sewspire. And I hope that you're inspired not only by the beautiful contents of this box and this kit that Catherine curated for us, but also inspired by Catherine's story. She started watching Sewspire just like you. She was interested in learning to make bags just like me and probably just like you, and she just continued to take in the information and practice her craft and participate in her community. And then she came up with this idea. She identified a need out there in the sewing world, came up with this idea, and the circle is coming full scope here because now I'm the one that's getting to share Catherine's wonderful creation. So it really is so much more than sewing, right? That's just the guise under which we come together to connect, particularly as women. Not that there aren't men out there in the Sewspire community. It's just I only have the pleasure of interacting with the women out there in our community. So that's, that's the level that I can speak on from experience. But again, Catherine is a huge inspiration to me. She's been a longtime supporter, and I am happy to share her talents and gifts with my community. And I will be back with you on Tuesday with another step-by-step sewing tutorial. And then I'll be back with you next Friday to share another piece of inspiration from my week. So until then, as always, please know the creative genius in me will be celebrating the creative genius in you. I hope you all have an awesome weekend. Thank you for unboxing with me.